Hey guys, I'm Antonio the Realtor, and welcome to this property tour of 6010 Richmond Street on the south side of Chicago. It is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, totally rehabbed, beautiful property. So let's go take a look at 6010 Richmond Street in the south side of Chicago. Here we go. All right, guys, let's get started. So immediately the impression I have when I walk in here is this place is different. That's the door I came in through. It's just the side entrance, okay? And right when you walk in, you're hit with a staircase to come up, and then there you go down to the basement level. When you walk in, you get to see this absolutely beautiful fireplace that they have here. Okay, that's electric. Very nice. I do like the way they did this. It looks very classy. It gives the place a nice center point of the house. It looks very, very nice. And if I pull back, behind me is the kitchen. But before we get to the kitchen, I'm going to show you the chandelier. And we're going to take a little walk this way. We have bedroom, we have bathroom, and we have bedroom. Okay? First, what we're going to do is we're going to go this way. We're going to look at this other bedroom that's here. Now, at the beginning of the video, I mentioned to you that there was 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Okay? Over here is what I would probably consider another bedroom, right? Here's the 3rd bedroom, in my opinion, and I keep saying that. You'll see when we get to the basement. 3 bedrooms up here, and then we have some rooms downstairs. This is really nice. Like if it was just a family of 2, this could totally be an office. This could totally be an office. Very nice. LED lighting, of course, up top. And I'm going to turn the camera this way. And let me see. Actually, here I'm lying to you. I'm going to turn the camera this way, and then here is the closet. Closet space is, it's nice. It's decent size, standard size closet. Okay, we're gonna come this way. Now this is the living room. Okay, mind you, that way we saw 2 bedrooms. Over here we saw a 3rd, and now this is the living room. Picture perfect. I really like it. And what you'll notice about the floors is these floors they're wood. They've been stained gray, right? Almost like gunmetal gray, and maybe a little tint of blue in there. And then they are high gloss. Very, very fancy, very different choices from what I've seen other rehabbers do. And I'm going to tell you, I like it. I think that this place is special. It's very, very, very nice, including even the layout. So your TV, in my opinion, of course, is going to go on top of the mantle. Windows are new. Fixtures are a nice choice of fixture. Okay, so this looks very good. Now what we're going to do here, actually here, let's do this. I'm going to walk this way to give you the other perspective. You know, you got a couch there. You got a couch there. I'm immediately throwing an area rug down here to protect the floors, and I'm making sure that all my couches and tables and all that have the little stoppers underneath, so these floors don't get scratched up. But these are beautiful floors, okay? So now we are going to walk into the kitchen and dining room, okay? So very slowly, kitchen and dining room. Check this out. There is your profile for the chandelier they got up there. That's LED, very elegant. I like it. I really, really like it. Here's the kitchen, okay? I'll get you a close-up of the kitchen in a second. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here and we're gonna hit up the bathroom first, okay? Here is the bathroom. I like the mirror, all right, fancy. And then I do like this shower. You got a stand-up shower here, very fancy. I haven't seen a lot of these lately. I think this is the new trend for 2026. This style shower head here, you know? You can grab it and just and use it. It's very nice. That's great too. If we look at the floor, okay, the drain's right in the middle, and then you have a place here to put your soap and all that. So I'm gonna take a step back. Very nice bathroom on the first floor. Of course, there you have your toilet and your sink. Very nice. Okay, now we're gonna come over here to the bedroom. This is bedroom number 2. I think this bedroom and the bedroom behind me are probably the same size. Closet space you have, excellent. In here, you're putting in at most a full-size bed. You know, a full-size bed in here, and then you know your dresser would have to go along the wall, like right over here. But for what it is, we're going to come this way. And now we are in the bedroom. Okay, this one I'm going to say is larger. I do think this one's larger. This is probably a larger bedroom. Okay, so we're going to walk over here along the wall. And these floors are so new, they're squeaky. I like it. I like it. Okay. Let's take a look. Amazing. Good closet space. The larger of the closets in the space. And now we are going to head to the kitchen. Hey guys, if you like this style of content and you want to see more property tours, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like and follow. And if you want to sell or buy a house in either Illinois or Indiana, you can reach me at the contact information that is in the comments section or the link in my bio. But hey, let's get back to the video. And here we are into the kitchen. Check this out. Very nice. Very, very nice kitchen. Cabinetry is fantastic. Those look like custom cabinets to me, of course, 48 inches. I don't know if whether or not this vents to the outside, but just from the way that it looks, the type of style that it is, I'm pretty sure that vents outside. You need a home inspector or the realtor to confirm that. The seller's agent at least. And then your appliances, of course, also are new. Let's take a look at this countertop. This looks like quartz to me. Okay. And if it's not, it's close to it. It's very nice. There's your faucet. You have yourself a deep sink, so you can wash the dishes. And then here are your other cabinets. Let me see if there's anything in these cabinets. No, they're not. It's open cabinets. Close them. They're good. Okay. I'm going to take a step back. And if you're in the kitchen, you're cooking, you have your table here. That's nice. The separation between that side of the room with that fence right there, it makes it nice. I like it. I like the idea that I'd be sitting here eating. I'd have blinds up there, of course, but I'm protected here. I got my seat here. I got a table here. And then if I have to get up and get something to eat, bam, right here. So open concept, okay? Now, I'm going to take a little walk back here. Light that I didn't turn on, but the floors go all the way this way. Very nice. They got this decorative wall right here. I do like the fact that they painted that black. Very good accent wall. I like it. What do you put back here? Maybe this is like an office. You put a computer along the wall, or you put a desk along this wall here and you're working. Or maybe this is like almost like a mud room where you can take off your shoes and put like a little seat right there where you can sit down. It's up to you and how you want to utilize the space. But from here, all right, heading to the basement. And now when we come down, I want you to see something. I'm going to stop right here. There's a room in front, okay? A bedroom. Remember, there's 3 upstairs. You have your mechanical space there. Over there, I believe that is a bathroom to the right. And then over there, that's a space that we'll visit. But then when you come over here this way, as you're coming down the stairs of the basement, you have another 2 rooms, okay? Storage space right here because under the stairs is here, remember? These were the stairs. So under the stairs right here, storage space. If we take a walk forward, we are in this bedroom now. Very nice. And the floors are, of course, they're not wood, but they did a nice laminate here. I like it's got your closet there. So this is fantastic. This is really, really well done, you guys. Really well done. I'm in a lot of rehabs, and I often comment about the quality of the rehabs that are done. And I will say that this place is done really, really well. Of course, you need a home inspector to verify certain things, but from what I can see here, I like it. I personally think it's a nice place. The second bedroom here on the bottom, you have a little bit of a closet there. I'm going to take a step back over here so you can see how wide this is. Big bedroom. You can put definitely a full-size bed down here, probably even a queen size. Now we are going to go into this other bedroom here. Remember, I said there was 3 bedrooms on here. Check this out. You're putting probably a twin, maybe a full if you wanted to. Nice space. There's a closet. Good closet. I'm going to kind of take a walk backward here so you can see what the space looks like. But Very nice. And now we will come this way. We're going to take a look now at the basement and what like living space. You know, like if you had another little living room area, this is perfect. That's for karaoke. You stand right there, you sing, right? I'm going to stand on it, and actually I'm going to walk this way. Looks like your laundry space over there. That's what that is. The ceilings here are painted. Very nice that they did that. That for me, it means they weren't lazy. They went ahead and they painted to make it look cohesive. I'm going to take a walk this way. There is your washer and dryer hookup. Over there is your vent for the lint, or for the, I'm sorry, that's the vent for the dryer. You have your water lines, and then over here, of course, if you had to go extra hard in the socks, you could throw them in there and go to town. There is an outlet over here along the wall. I like that. But, you know, you can leave this open, or if you really wanted to and you wanted to close it off, you could close it off. But having the basement open is really what does it for me in this property. And let's not forget this bathroom. Very, very nice bathroom. So I'm going to give you guys a little visual here up and down. I like that drain tile down there. I like the drain, I'm sorry, and I like the tile. Looks good. And if I come closer here, this is one of my favorite kind of shower heads. I love that. Of course, they have the shower phone. As I keep mentioning the shower phone, it looks good. Very wide shower, very, very wide shower. Here, I'm gonna zoom out more. Wide shower. Check that out. This is space to put your soaps and whatnot. So let me take a step back. Very nice. Then I will turn. I will come over here, and now here is the bathroom from the shower's perspective. You can see that I'm literally standing in the shower here. Really cool. So guys, if you like property tours and you want to see more videos, go ahead and click on one of these either two videos right here. Or if you're trying to buy or sell in Illinois or in Indiana, you can contact me at the link in my bio or at the link and phone number that's in the comment section of this video. I'll see you guys in the next property tour.